What's up, everybody out there? How y'all doing today? Hopefully, y'all doing good. Enjoying yourselves, enjoying your day, enjoying your life, everything. Doing a quick unboxing of my newest pickup, which is actually the fastest delivery I've ever gotten from Nike. Um, they ship the same day that I ordered them. You know, if it comes to hyped up shoes or whatever, they always release in the morning or whatever. And I got the notification that these had tracking at like 9 o'clock that night. And they came out on Friday morning. And came out Friday morning, and I have them now on Monday. So yeah, just a really quick turnaround for Nike, and I didn't upgrade the shipping. I didn't change anything. It is literally just a ground shipment order that came super duper fast. So kudos to them. Maybe they didn't have that many of these. Maybe these were very, very, very limited, more limited than I thought. But if you can put the time frame together, you already know what this is. So let's get it out. Let's see. Let's see. It's in a bigger box than normal. I'm used to with smaller boxes from the Nike squad. You know. Let's see. All right, same thing in here though. Oh man, box a little beat up, but it's all right. Box got a little tear in it right there. But can you tell by what it is? Everybody has seen this box by now. Got my size 11. Yeah. It's ready? Yeah. You know what that paper is? Fragment. Fragment 3s. Good. So, take one of them out. Just one right now. Put that over here. These are dope. A lot of people don't like them, but I actually do like them. They're simple, but not at the same time. You know, they got enough flair. Like, look at that. But it's like a 3 and an 11. You know what I'm saying? Like it's a vibe on it I really do like, and the leather is nice. It seems like it's just like the leather on the UNC 3s. They're out of reach right now, but yeah, these are dope. The Fragment label on the inside. Yeah. So the numbers on the heel, and the other details. Alright, back to where it was. Okay, so like I was saying, these are dope. These have I say 11 vibes to them, you know. This isn't patent leather, but it kind of, you know, it's kind of 11-esque, you know what I mean? But yeah, these are pretty dope. Simple white and black is the only colors on this entire shoe. All the way around, white and black. Yeah, very simple, very clean. Jordan symbol on the tongue is pretty dope too. It's white, but a more shimmery white than the tongue. So it pops. Fragment logo. Fragment stamp right there. Can you see it there? Right there. Yeah. Right when I was about to give up hope on that sneakers app, popped up on these bad boys, and they was like, you know what? On the 17th, we shall bless you with this. 17th happened to be my dad's birthday, so I'm like, man, maybe from the heavens he it's like, come on, man, help my son out, let him cop. I appreciate it if that was the case. He's dope. Very, very, very dope. So very, very clean. So yeah. Let me know if any of y'all are interested in these. These are like probably the best quality threes. Like I said, these are like those Carolinas. Those UNCs, I'm sorry. The last threes, the denim threes, they were almost of the same quality. Like I think because like it's slightly different leather. They feel a little more stiff, but it's not much. These are much more softer, much more buttery, like the UNCs. Yeah, they've been killing it with the threes though. The threes are dope. Threes are very dope this year. They've been yeah, on point with the threes. But all right, yeah, like I said, that's it for these. I'm boxing back up. These is, you know, I don't even know when I'm gonna break these out. When I'm gonna even put them in the box or whatever behind me, but we'll figure that out. But comment below, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and trying to get the content flowing. I got a few other things to put up. Got one other video on some mids I gotta post, and yeah, probably even have something else that ain't even shoe related to unbox in a couple days. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, it's your boy Ty signing out. Y'all be good. Have a good one. Peace.